Innovation drives efficiency, and at Delkor Systems, we've taken the next step with Optix, the cutting-edge HMI software built to elevate your packaging operations. Optix is our newly revamped interface, designed to streamline operations across all Delkor machines. From intuitive navigation to advanced data integration, Optix redefines how you interact with your machinery. Here are some key features either already available or currently in development. Redesigned dashboard. A clean, modern dashboard puts the most critical information front and center. Recipes section. Quickly save, manage, and apply machine settings with our enhanced recipes feature. Multi-line and machine view. Monitor and manage multiple lines from one unified interface. Rockwell Automation Smart Objects integration advances Delkor's Industry 4.0 capabilities. Easier to service. Simplify troubleshooting with built-in machine documentation and IO-Link smart devices, including machine and device manuals, schematics, and other vital supplemental documentation. Ease of changeover. A checklist guides you through changeovers with more precise information and step-by-step description to make changeovers smoother and minimize downtime. Run all machines through one software. No more juggling systems. Stay ahead with regular updates and a forward-looking roadmap. Optix isn't just software, it's your partner for success. With Rockwell-backed reliability, data-ready hardware, and scalable integration, Optix prepares your operation for the future. Note, not all features may be available at launch, and some features are subject to change.